Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread kheer using an easy method. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion and comes together quickly with simple ingredients you likely have on hand. We'll start by gathering our core components, then move on to preparing the bread. Get ready for a sweet treat that's both comforting and incredibly satisfying, requiring minimal effort for maximum flavor. Now let's get our bread ready. Take about 6 to 8 slices of white bread and carefully trim off all the crusts. Once the crusts are removed, cut each slice into 4 small, manageable squares or triangles. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan over medium heat, then fry these bread pieces until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become crispy. This step adds a wonderful texture to our kheer. Next, we'll prepare the creamy kheer base. In a heavy-bottomed pan, bring 4 cups of full-fat milk to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Let this mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the milk slightly thickens. This creates a rich and aromatic foundation for our dessert. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add the golden brown fried bread pieces into the simmering milk mixture. Stir gently and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the bread to soak up all that delicious, creamy goodness. Remove from heat, then garnish generously with your favorite chopped nuts and dried fruits. Serve your easy bread kheer warm or chilled for a truly delightful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.